Conveniently for me, all the plants that I wanted to film in this video are all growing in this one little area here. So first of all, we've got bird's foot trefoil, this one here. This is a member of the pea family and in the Lotus genus. It likes to grow in well-drained soils and can also be found in cracks in pavements. And it'll flower from around May through to September. Although they're called trefoil, meaning three-leaved, they actually have 5 leaflets, not 3. So you'll see they've got a group of 3 leaflets there, but then another 2 where the petiole meets the main stem. The flowers have deep yellow egg yolk coloured petals, and another common name for this plant is eggs and bacon, because just as the flowers are opening, they're a deep yellow colour with red streaks. But they lose the red streaks as they open fully. Next up is sea thrift or sea pinks. You'll get these dense clusters of pink flowers all around the coast, especially on rocks or on walls like we have here. So they grow in these dense patches, and you'll see them from around April, but by late spring to early summer there's masses of these around the coast, especially in Pembrokeshire where I am now. Each flower head is a densely packed cluster of several flowers. Each flower has 5 pink petals, and each petal has 3 very fine purple veins. These yellow flowers here in amongst the sea thrift is common kidney vetch, another member of the pea family. You'll find it growing in chalky grasslands and sand dunes. It likes dry areas and full sun, and it's fairly drought tolerant. It's a low growing plant that can spread into quite large patches. In the UK, it will be in flower from around May to late summer. The flower heads of kidney vetch are very distinctive looking, and I doubt you'd mistake them for anything else. So the flower heads are split into usually either 2 or 3 parts, and they flower progressively. So one section will start flowering and then mature, and then the next part will start flowering after. So when one section's maturing and starting to go to seed, the other section will start opening its flowers. So at the base of each flower, it's very woolly. And the flowers usually have yellow petals, though occasionally they can be orange or red. They have compound leaves, or split into smaller leaflets, and the terminal leaflet is usually quite a lot bigger than the lateral leaflets. The underside of the leaves has a white sheen to it, and they feel silky. These beauties are Oxeye daisies. They look very similar to our common daisies that you'll find in pretty much every lawn. They're just quite a bit bigger, and they stand on taller upright stems which have these quite small leaves that spiral around the stem. The leaves of Oxeye daisies kind of look like tiny oak leaves. The name daisy comes from the shortening of day's eye, because the flowers open up in the morning and then close again at night. So a lovely patch of wildflowers that you'd expect to see all around the coast this time of year, late spring, early summer. And apart from the sea thrift, you'd expect to see these inland in meadows as well.